updating the title and the description tags on your WordPress website is actually very simple. The first thing you want to do is install a plugin called Yoast SEO. So once you're logged into your WordPress site, from the left-hand side, go to Plugins, and then go to Add New. Once this opens up, then you're going to want to search the plugins for Yoast SEO, and again, that's Yoast SEO, and then hit Enter. It's going to search for this plugin. Now, I already have it installed on this site, but this is what it looks like. So if I didn't already have it installed, I would simply find this plugin, click on Install Now. It would go through the installation process, so it would take just a few seconds, and then I would have that plugin available for me to use. Now, where you're going to find the plugin and where you're actually going to enter in the title and descriptions is on a per page basis. So we're going to go to Pages, go to All Pages, and then let's go ahead and edit the home page first. I'm going to scroll down to where I see Home, and we're going to click on Edit. Now, just a quick note about titles and descriptions. I have a SEO template that I use in Excel. So in Excel, I usually go, before I actually go to the website, I go to Excel and I type out what keywords I want to optimize my website for, and then what the titles are going to be. And I know that the title should be 60 characters or less, and the description should be 155 characters or less. So I go through and I type this out ahead of time. So that's why it's a lot easier for me to go in right now and just copy and paste them rather than having to sit here and think about them off the top of my head. I find this is a very organized approach to optimizing your titles and your descriptions. This allows you to make sure that each one of your pages is getting a unique keyword with a unique title and description. So now let's go see our page is loaded here. So you can see we're editing the home page, and I'm just going to scroll down, and you can see here's Yoast SEO. The first thing we're going to do is set a focus keyword. And again, I already have this in Excel. So I have my target keyword. I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to paste it right in here. So our focus keyword is online voting solution. Then I'm going to go to Edit Snippet, and I'm going to copy our page title here, copy it, and paste it directly in to the SEO title section here. It gives us an orange bar, which actually indicates that there is more room for us to type some additional information into the title if you wanted to. I'm happy with the title the way it is right now, but if I wanted to, I could add a little bit more information. You can see just as I start typing, it turns quickly into the green to let us know that we've hit the desired amount of characters for that title. But again, this one uses online voting solution. That's our target keyword, so I'm okay with the title the way it is right now. And then we're going to go over to the description here. We're going to copy the description, and we're going to paste it in. The one thing I want to point out is, again, our focus keyword on this page is online voting solution. You can see it shows up as the first part of the title, and then online voting solution also shows up in the description. So you want to use your focus keyword in the title and in the description, and then ideally it would also show up in the page content as well. So once you have that done, you're going to go all the way up to the top here. We can close the editor, you can close that snippet editor, and then go back up to the top and click Update. And now if we go look at our website, here's the online voting solution website. I'm going to refresh our screen, and you're going to see the title, which is right up here at the top of the tab, now is changed to online voting solution. And then if this tab actually showed the rest, it would show the rest of our title. The description is kind of hidden in the background. So when the search engines come read your page, they'll be able to see the description, but it's not something that's visible on the front end. So let's go do that for one more page so you can kind of get that idea again. So let's go back to all pages, and let's go do the Our Solution page. So we're going to click on Edit, and we're going to scroll down once the page loads here, and you'll see here's our Yoast SEO editor. We're going to change our focus keyword to the one we have here in Excel, to Co-op Elections, and we're going to paste it in there. Then we're going to edit the snippet, and we're going to copy and paste our title. Again, we're using that focus keyword first thing in the title there, and the focus keyword also in the description. So you can see Co-op Elections shows up here in the description, and it shows up first in our title. We're going to close the editor, and we're going to go ahead and save the page. And again, if we go back to the front end and refresh, go to the Our Solution page, you're going to see Co-op Elections now shows up in the tab as well. So that's how simple it is to really go into WordPress using Yoast SEO to go in and update your titles and your descriptions. And again, we suggest that you do that for every single page on your website with a unique title and a unique description.